Hey YouTube, what is going on? The printer guy here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the ink bottles on a Canon G3270. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is you're going to take your bottle and you are going to want to make sure you're installing the right color into the tanks. This one on the left is black and the others are color. They're all color coded, but just double check that. Now, if the ink does not immediately start flowing from the bottle down into the tanks, you can move the bottle up and down in up and down motion and the ink should start flowing. Alright, so moving from black to the color, you're now going to be installing cyan, magenta, and yellow. And the way you're going to install these is the same exact way you installed the black ink. And you're going to have smaller bottles because it's going to be a lot less ink on those colors. So you're going to hold the bottle right side up and then you're going to flip it upside down and install it right into that nozzle. And if it doesn't fit initially, you'll turn it clockwise, counterclockwise until it totally fits, because you have those notches at the end of the bottle and you want to make sure that those fit right in place. And as long as you are fitting those in place, you should be good and you should be able to install the ink fully. Again, this is me moving the bottle up and down, and that allowed for the ink to start flowing. So this is a pretty simple process. I really hope this video ended up helping you get a visual of what it is you actually need to do to install the bottled ink. If you're used to a cartridge-based printer, it's going to be a lot different, but honestly, it ends up being easier this way with bottled ink. Now, you can also use refill or remanufactured ink on this printer, the same type of dye-based ink that Canon sells, but it's going to be a lot less expensive. That's going to be linked down in the description below. So once you've installed all of the ink bottles and your ink tanks, which you can see from the ink windows that are at the bottom of the printer there, once those are all totally full, you can then close the printer and begin the process. If you're initially setting up the printer, this will bring you through to the point where you can actually start printing. I have done other videos on this printer. For example, if your print head becomes clogged, I will show you how to clear that with the cleaning kit. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel. There's a lot of helpful content, but I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe.